So hello everyone, hope you are doing well and keeping safe in these hard times. But the most important thing is that today I have a surprise for you. Really a very big opportunity for students and basically for everyone. This is our national level quiz competition, which is organized by the Government of Indian Ministry. As you can see here, so this quiz is a timely quiz. So here you can see the date from this to this, and that is the sad part, that after the time has elapsed you will not be able to participate in the quiz. So I will try in my next video to bring some evergreen quizzes which you can appear anytime. They are always green and fresh. So to not miss those videos, just subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Okay, without further delay, let's go through the terms and conditions which are awfully important for a better understanding of the quiz. Here you can see all the terms and conditions clearly elucidated. Just go through them once. Just see the rewards, and you can also pause the video for a better understanding. I promise I will bring a evergreen video, but till then just enjoy the quiz, and I'm very excited to attend this quiz. What about you? Let me know in the comment section.